Welcome to our online classes. Topic of today's video is personal protective equipment PPE used in an onboard ship. 10 main personal protective equipment used on board ship. Number 1, protective clothing. Number 2, helmet. Number 3, safety shoes. Number 4, safety hand gloves. Number 5, goggles. Number 6, ear muff or plug. Number 7, safety harness. Number 8, face mask. Number 9, chemical suit. Number 10, welding shield. Protective clothing. Protective clothing is cover all which protect the body of the crew member from hazardous substance like hot oil, water, welding spark, etc. It is popularly known as dinghy or boiler suit. It is most important PPE on board ship. Next, helmet. The most important part of the human body is the head. It needs utmost protection which is provided by a hard plastic helmet on the ship. A chain strip is also provided with the helmet which keeps the helmet on place when there is a trip or fall. It is also a important PPE. Safety shoes. Maximum of the internal space of the ship is utilized by cargo and machinery which is made of hard metal and which make it clumsy for crew to walk around. Safety shoes ensure that nothing happens to the crew members' feet while working or walking on board. It is also a important PPE on board ship. Next, goggles. Eyes are the most sensitive part of human body and in daily operations on ship, chances are very high for having an eye injuries. Protective glass or goggles are used for eye protection, whereas welding goggles are used for welding operation, which protect the eyes from high intensity spark. So, goggle also most important on board ship. Next, safety hand gloves. Different types of hand gloves are provided on board ship. All these are used in operation wherein it becomes imperative to protect one's hands. Some of gloves provided are heat resistance gloves to work on hot surface, cotton gloves for normal operation, welding gloves, chemical gloves, etc. As per requirements, particular gloves are used. It is also a important PPE. Next, ear muff or plug. Engine room of the ship produced 110 to 120 dB of sound, which is very high for human ears. Even few minutes of expose can lead to headache, irritations, and sometimes partial or full hearing loss. An ear muff or ear plug is used on board ship, which dampens the noise to a bearable decibel value. So it is also a very important PPE on board ship. Next, safety harness. Routine ship operation includes maintenance and painting of high and elevated surface which requires crew members to reach areas that are not easily accessible. To avoid a fall from such heightened area, safety harness is used. Safety harness is donned by the operator at one end and tied at the strong point on the other. So it is also a very important PPE on board ship. Next, face mask. Working on illusion surface, painting or carbon cleaning involves minor hazardous particles which are harmful for human body if inhaled directly. To avoid this, face masks are provided which act as a shield from hazardous particles. Next, chemical suit. Use a chemical on board ship is very frequent and some chemicals are very dangerous when they come in direct contact with human skin. A chemical suit is worn to avoid such situations. It is also a important PPE on board ship. Last one, welding shield. Welding is a very common operation on board ship for structural repairs. A welder is provided with welding shield or mask which protect the eyes from coming in direct contact with the ultraviolet rays of the spark of welding. It is also a very important PPE on board ship. Here a model who wear safety PPE like helmet, safety cloths, goggles, ear muff, hand gloves, safety shoes, etc. All are these most important on board ship. Thank you for watching this video.